Hello guys, so we're back with another boring video for you, and this mail time is such a freaking fail in life. Okay, so literally no one gave me a gift except this. Oh my gosh. If I had like more diamonds, I would give it like 3,000. Oh, great. It's so nice. When I get VIP, like a diamond package, I am going to fill her life with greets and fame. And oh yeah, is she double fame? Oh yeah, she used to be double fame. Okay. He's having a diamond riser. Young. Oh. I freaking hate this theme. It's just like too positive. It's too positive that I'm gonna explode in it. Yeah, you should be positive sometimes, but like it's too freaking positive. Anyone could explode. Even the most positive person in the whole wide world. You can sit with us. Wow, I do that every day. Come on, Moonstar Planet. Show some common sense. Oh my god. These are too ripped. I cannot survive. Stay cute. Oh, thanks. Okay. Now what we're going to do is just see what that one gift is. Oh my god. Oh, it is ever okay. She's my neighbour. She's really cute. How did she get me? Oh my gosh, it's a rat! Okay, where the hell is she? Where the hell is she? I'm too broke to give you a greet, I'll just give you auto. I love you so much. Just want to explode. I don't know how to say thank you to you. I wish I had a VIP ticket, I'll give it straight to you. Whoever gives me the best gift next mail time, when I get judge again, I'm going to give a VIP ticket to them. And another time, when I get judge another time, I'm going to spin a random wheel, and then you guys can get chosen, and then this is so cute. How I need to get a one. Oh my gosh. Why do I keep clicking on this diamond thing? It's really annoying. It's just right there. It's stalking you literally everywhere you go. In the chat room, when you're shopping. Oh my god. It's such a stalker. Mind. Sorry, this is really disturbing. I just put this on. Ew. That's the best word for it, because yeah, it's messed up pretty much. This is gonna take a while, by the way, so yeah. Okay. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do to make my life much more easier? I made it look. think it would. I don't know who the hell it is. I'm not just if I get it wrong. I'm not gonna say anything because if I get it wrong, that'll be kind of awkward. But yeah, it was Chan. I was thinking that in my head. Sub to him. I freaking forgot what his name was. But definitely sub to the Taylor Gamers channel. It's Taylor Gamer, I think. And sub to my channel, just don't be silly, just smash that subscribe button. Whatever. Let's just get on with what I was supposed to do. Ooh, yeah, white. I don't know why, but I just don't like wearing red ones because, like, I know it's really fake, but still, I just know because I'm too Christian. Yeah, I'm not too religious, but you know, I don't want to be the devil. I don't want to go to hell. I'll be gonna go to heaven, such a babe. But still, just in case. Chan, look out. Oh yeah, that's you. Hey, you just came online, babe. Okay, she did not reply me, so bye, Chan. Chan. Online, thank you very much. Chan, look what you've done to my life. You were such a good friend, and you let me down completely, Chan. Excuse me. Ugh, never mind. You're still my best friend, but I'm looking out for you, Chan. We're just going to collect some fame of those olden days now. Well, I just did random screen recordings and I saved them in my documents or whatever the hell it is. I always, literally every day I gave like alters to people and I kept going on this phone thing and I never leveled up. I was still like level 2. It was really good. I don't have any fans, dude. Give that for a Chan. I'm going to give you an autograph because I'm such a darling. Now you be a darling too. Don't be a bigger baby, Chan. And after that, after 3 minutes, I'm going to give it to Amelia and it's an IO1. And then I'm going to give it to Happy Girl. Did we give one to her? And I'll just give an extra one to Shy, Autumn and Cody. Okay, these are the people I'm giving shout outs to. Cody because he's so nice. Shy Autumn because he's nice as well. It's Anaya because she's nice as well. Amelia because she's really nice. Guys, all of you are really nice, but I'm just picking out some. And one of these people have like had a hard time, so I might give them a grade after this one. Nah, my lipstick broke. No, I can't. I'm not gonna tell who it is because she probably doesn't want to like us to tell you, but no mind. We're just giving it to Amelia. It's an IO1 and Neil and Cody and Charlotte. I think I actually gave it to her. Oh my gosh, I'm such a poo. I literally just gave one to her right now. No, I gave it to Chan. I gave one to her. That should be good. Thank you so much, by the way. And, oh, congratulations, Cody. Okay. Yay! gosh, she's not VIP anymore. You let me down. To see, okay, no, 10 minutes. 1 more minute to go, babe. Okay. Yeah, we're going to stop it there right now. I'm going to do this quest later. If you guys want to add me, go straight ahead. I literally accept any friend request, from noobs to high scorers, from idiots to smart to cancers, from everything in the world down to everything in the world, even mythical animals. I see them every day, so go ahead, friend me. So. Okay, bye guys, love you. Mwah.